She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. First off, I do want to say happy Pride Month. This is a month that is celebrated here on this channel, so I do appreciate all the love and support from everyone. For today's recipe, we're going to make a Pride-inspired type of dessert. We're going to go ahead and make a beautiful rainbow fruit tart. So this is going to be a classic style fruit tart made with all the colors of the rainbow, as you can see. We're also going to go ahead and make it the quick and easy style by using some pre-made pie crust and then making a wonderful homemade cream layer to go on the bottom of this wonderful fruit tart. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. And if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing and also hitting that notification bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is how the wonderful rainbow fruit tart turned out. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it up into individual portions. This would be great for a get-together or a small party. But this one was delicious with all of the fresh fruit and then that fresh vanilla cream that we made to go on the bottom. The crust was actually still pretty crispy, so that was a good thing as well. You had a nice crunch when you bit into the tart. Definitely give this a try for this summer, guys. It's one that you are surely going to love, and it's easy to make. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe today. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also guys, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite fruit tart combination is. Share this video out. I appreciate that so much, guys. Thank you. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.